Hi, my name is Ram Denham. I'm a developer at IBM. In this video, we'll get started setting up the ACME Airline sample application. This sample application demonstrates an end-to-end scenario of using Project Icap for rapid application development using cloud services.
It's a real-world application that consumes REST-based services provided by the hotel car and booking projects. Let's start off by importing the ACME Airline sample. We'll browse to the samples directory of the sandbox and choose ACME Airlines app.zip. Select all three projects and click Finish. I'll right-click one of the projects and click Project Overview. An ICAP application is typically started and stopped from its project overview page where the ports used by the application can be customized. You can run and debug the application as well as set up any custom libraries. You'll notice some errors due to some missing third-party libraries not provided with the sample. I've already downloaded them and configured them as a customized component. We'll need libraries for aspect-oriented programming, logging, Spring, and Spring Data. Next, we'll add these customized features to each of the three projects. Let's now take a look at the Cloud Explorer. The Cloud Explorer provides a view of all the service types available and the instances currently bound to the ACME application. These services are local to the sandbox and hosted on the sandbox server, which is typically started before services are bound to an application. You will see that the Cloud Explorer shows the three built-in service types, as well as Mongo, which was added as a custom service using a script provided in the sandbox. All three projects require a Mongo database. I'll create a Mongo service and add it to each of the projects by simply dragging and dropping. The main web project leverages the social and location built-in services provided by the Cloud Sandbox. Social service provides a uniform way to access API from Twitter and Sina Weibo. Location service provides an API for geocoding. I'll create those as well and add it to the main project. Next, I'll start the Mongo database. Then, we need to add Dojo, not provided by the sample, to the web content folder of our web project. We're ready to start all three projects. Note that each of the projects will run independently on their own server. The main project runs on port 80. So I can simply go to my browser and go to localhost to get to the ACME Airline homepage. Before we can log in, we need to populate our databases. This sample has a servlet, which can populate some initial values. We'll click Populate Customer and Flight Data. We also need to populate the hotel and car databases. Notice that the hotel and car application is running on a different port, 82. A similar servlet is provided to populate the hotel and car databases. I'll go to localhost 82/hotel-loader to populate the list of hotels, and then localhost 82/car-loader to populate some car companies. We're now ready to start using the app. Let's first log in and click Book Flights. We'll book a flight from London to Hong Kong, select a date, and click Find Flights. we'll book this flight. You can click on My Flights to view the flights you booked. To take advantage of the services that the Hotel and Car project exposes, visit the Travel Assistance link. You can select a flight segment on the left and see a list of hotels and car companies in the area you're flying to. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.